So I'm a little bit stuck in the olden times. I like MP3s. I like owning the music that I like listening to, and I'm not really into the music streaming sites like Grooveshark or Pandora, and I really can't tell you why. I just like having MP3s of my music filling up my hard drive. So every now and then I'll find a song or a brand new artist, and I just get too lazy to download all of the MP3s. And so what I will do is I will go on YouTube and I'll make a playlist, and I'll just start listening to music straight off YouTube instead of downloading it. So I have found a site, a web app that is sort of similar to like FM, but sort of different at the same time. So I'd love to chat about it with you. The app is called Bitrecital, and you can reach it at bitrecital.com. Here is the landing page, and the first thing I have to say is it's gorgeous! I love the design, the simplistic design of the landing page here. So there are 3 steps that you need to know to be able to use Bitrecital. First one is share your YouTube music. Number 2, start following friends or total strangers. And number 3, your feed of music becomes your brand new playlist. So as you can see, it's a little bit like FM in the sense that you start discovering music as people are posting it to their own feeds, whether that be music that your friends are posting or music that total strangers are posting. So I'll just log in here for you, and I can show you how the app works. So this is what you're greeted with. You can start creating a playlist. So I've added 2 songs in here right now, and let's suppose I want to add another song. So I'd really like to add Fun 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 by Data Life. I love this song. So you go over here and just grab the link and come on back to Bitrecital and paste the link in here, and then instantly this brand new song has been added to your feed. And so I can come on here and keep my own personal playlist right now, and I can start playing my own music through here. And then once it gets to the end of this first song, it'll start immediately playing the second song, and it'll keep going from there. So you don't have to go, like on YouTube when I make a playlist, sometimes it doesn't auto-load the next song, and so this way it'll just load everything and you start listening to music and you don't have to fuss with it whatsoever. So I've added this new song, and I added it publicly. So now it's in a public list. It's in the public feed list, so anybody else who's on Bitrecital can see the song that I have added. So this is what the public feed looks like, and as new songs are added to this service, they are just instantly added to the queue of songs that are on this public feed. So we can go down here and we can see my friend Ross. He really likes Mumford & Sons, so he put a little bit of that in there. We've got Scott adding Intel CPU songs. I have no clue what that is. Fraser, Pink Floyd, classics. So we can go on here, and then if I start playing my own song, it'll keep on playing until it starts playing Ross's song, Scott's song, Fraser's song as it goes down. So this is how you start discovering new music that your friends or these total strangers are posting to Bitrecital. Number 1, I really like the design. It's really simple, but it works, and it looks good while it's working. Number 2, it's really easy to get in there and start building lists of your songs. And number 3, I did sort of like the fact that I could see total strangers' music, so it was kind of cool that you can sort of see whatever is added into the site. So it's a little bit like Twitter, where you can just look at a feed of anybody and who knows what will pop up. For the cons, I would really love to be able to add in an entire playlist at once, because I've already made playlists on YouTube, and so I don't want to have to remake them in Bitrecital. The second con is I think this app might be in beta right now, so there are a few bugs here and there. It is difficult to manage your friends, so managing people who are following it and people who you are following and people who are following you. It's hard to manage that right now. I've been on Bitrecital for a week now, and I haven't logged in to use it that much. So it's probably not the app for me, but for people who really like discovering songs that other people are promoting, I think it's the perfect app for them. So I'm going to give Bitrecital 3 YouTube songs out of 5. Stay tuned next time for when I review Khan Academy for beekeepers.